Hey there, welcome back to Star's Kitchen. Today I've got something super exciting and healthy lined up for you. If you're looking for a fun and tasty way to get those essential vitamins into your little ones, you are in the right place. We're diving into the world of homemade vitamin gummies, made with fresh fruits, juicy fruits that kids will absolutely love. We're swapping out the store-bought stuff for a homemade version that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Imagine your little kids munching on fruity chewy gummies that you made right in your own kitchen. Sounds amazing, right? You can use the freshest fruits, mix in some wholesome ingredients, and turn them into vibrant vitamin-packed gummies. I'll walk you through step by step from preparing your solutions to pouring them into perfect gummy molds. Plus, I've got some fun tips and tricks to make this process super easy and enjoyable. So grab your aprons, get those fruits ready, and let's make snack time not only tasty but also nutritious. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss out of my latest healthy recipes. Let's get started.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.